This one goes out to the teacher gamers. There's 36 different skills that you're learning implicitly. And that's what's so beautiful about it for teachers, is that you're just asking them to play games. You're asking them to create stories. You're asking them to roll dice. You're asking them to set up and consider possibilities, probabilities, take risks, and expand on their knowledge of the subject matter. You can use so much of role-playing games to develop all sorts of different lesson plans around the game and then expanding it. Your homework can be any kind of knowledge-based inquiry that you want to have. For self-directed learning, this is an amazing place for people to expand on whatever it is that they want to do. The role-playing game itself just provides the setting, provides some rules, but the rules can be broken, the rules can be changed, the rules can be integrated, and you can create a whole new role-playing game of your own. You don't have to use one of the published ones. You could actually make a game and publish it yourself. I've been able to figure out how to integrate all of the adventure experience into the educational context. This is the place where we can work together, where teachers, especially co-teaching together, can find ways to connect with their students on a different relationship level. It's not about the students coming and getting things from you. They're not knowledge receptacles. You are able to expand your relationship where they trust you in a different way. They're able to fail in front of you because they're playing a character. They're able to expand and look after themselves and each other, and then be able to ask for help in a different way. So when they go back to that subject class that you also teach, they have an opportunity in a different way to approach you. They trust you in a different way.